Hi, today we're looking into bakery order form. So this is a simply order form to start booking for bakery shops for their orders. You can see we've got certain fields of information over here which can be filled in to start booking orders. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a link for this and we're going to fill out all the fields for this order form. Once everything is filled in, you can go to the responses view and you can see that the response gets captured over here. Okay. So we'll go to the form builder, we'll click on share form, we'll click on copy form link. This will copy the link of the entire form. We'll expose this link to the particular person who is going to book for orders for this bakery. Okay. So once we have this link available, we can start filling in the details. So I'm just randomly going to fill in some of the details over here. Then we're going to see how it works. Okay. So I'll just start filling in everything that comes to my mind randomly. Everything can be edited and customizable as per your use case. This is just a sample template file which has been provided to you. You can obviously play around with all the settings and all the preferences as per your choice. So I filled in everything, click on submit. As you do that, you can see the response has now been submitted. If I go back to the order form and go to the responses view, I can see that the response will get captured over here. So this is the response that has been captured. You can obviously fill out and start creating submissions and you can get the response over here. Again, everything is editable and customizable. It is up to you how you want to use it. I've added a tool known as PDF output at the bottom, which helps you start generating documents in bulk. So you can generate PDF documents in bulk. It exercises the use of a Notion page, which acts as a source template file where you can define the PDF document. And you need a Notion database which has the contents that you would replace onto a Notion page to generate documents in bulk. You can definitely check out PDF output for this. You can reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com for any help or for any assistance. I've added a video of invoices at the bottom. You can watch this video to understand more about this process. But essentially, you can replicate this process for any documents for use case. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.